Namaste all, this is Dr. Meenakshi, MD IU, Komara Vritya. So today I am with the new topic, that is, you all are repeatedly hearing about the immune system from when this corona started, right? Since 2019, before we were hearing, but it was rare. But from when this coronavirus started, we are repeatedly hearing the word immune system, immunity, right? What is this immune system or what is this immunity in our body? We will see today in our video. That is, first of all, what is this immune system? This immune system is a group of network that which consists of cells, organs and tissues, everything. Group of network of these organs, cells and tissues, which gives protection for our body by fighting against the foreign material or a foreign body, right? So what is this immune system? It will fight against the foreign body which enters to our body, which is not familiar to the network of immune system. If any foreign body enters, it will fight against it to protect our organisms or to protect our body. So coming for immunity, what is this immunity? This strength which produced from an immune system is nothing but immunity, whereas immune system contains cells, tissues, organs, everything, right? What this all will do will give some strength to our body like antibodies to fight against the infection, foreign bodies or maybe any other diseases. This strength which is given by our immune system to our body is nothing but immunity. So how the immunity of a body will be for a particular person, he can withstand the diseases or he can fight against the diseases according to the strength of a immunity. So if we protect all these organisms which includes in our immune system, we will have enough immunity for our body. So which are organisms are included in this immune system? The tonsils, lymph nodes, thymus, spleen, appendicitis, pylorus, bone marrow, lymphatic vessels. These all are the organisms which comes under the immune system. If we control or if we protect all these organisms in a routine way, then we can have enough immunity. So we should maintain our routine, activities maybe or diet maybe or anything, ahara vihara, everything, in considering all these organisms to protect them so that our immune system will be strong. So how we should do this, right? How we should protect our immune system or how we should strengthen our immunity. We will go through the next slides, that what all activities we should do to protect this immune system. So first of all, what all activities you should do to protect this immune system or these organisms? If you maintain all these organisms in a right way, then automatically your immune system will be good. If your immune system will be good, then your immunity or a strength of a body will be strong enough, right? So what all activities you should do to protect immune system? First of all, avoid alcohol. Not only alcohol which hampers or which are contraindicated for your body, you should avoid that. And wash your hands. Wash your hands is nothing but maintain hygiene in everything, whatever it may be in food, it may be in your activities, everything. You should maintain hygiene. Third thing is stay hydrated, means have lot of water. For every hour, have lot of water means someone what they will do, they will measure the quantity and they will have according to their weight. They will nowadays it's common, right? They will Google according to my weight how much water I should have, and they will have. Not like that. Have enough water. How much you can have that much. Means for example, every hour 1 glass of water you can have. Stay hydrated and eat healthy. Especially eat healthy means not only green vegetables or not only vegetables, not only fruits, whichever suits your body. Some will not get suited the bakery products, or some will be having aversion or allergies for outside foods, snacks, chats, everything. So such things which are not suitable for your body, avoid them. To enjoy you should have, so you will have, not like that. Whichever suits your body you have, whichever won't suits your body, you will get allergy or you will get some ill health by having them, then avoid such items. And foremost thing is, have a good sleep. Minimum 6 to 7 hours sleep you need to have for your body, so that whatever stress you will take whole day in a life, that will be cured or that will be solved, relaxed in a sleep. So have a good sleep and take supplements. Supplements means what all will think, to have a medicines like maybe Ayurvedic medicines or multivitamins or with calciums, like that. Not only in the form of medicines, maybe in the form of snacks or in the form of dry fruits, everything. Have a supplements so that your body will be maintained. But nowadays supplements means, doctors why they will advise especially multivitamins or calciums or anything, because you all know we are having a unhygienic food, maybe vegetables or fruits, everything which are not organic, means they are not pure. They will put some powders or medicines to them and they will make it fruit, which are not naturally fruited. So they will not be having much nutrition in them, maybe vegetables or fruits. So we are providing the nutrition to our body in the form of medicines like multivitamins, calciums, minerals, everything. So have supplements in one or other way, have a supplements. The next thing, the 12 activities or 12 things which strengthens our immunity. Those are, as I said, eat healthy and maintain a social networking. Means social networking means having lots of friends around you, not like that. Maintain a friends which gives you positive vibes. Means by keeping all hundreds of people around you, if they feed, by keeping 100 people around you, if they give negative vibes or if they disturb your routine life or disturb your mind, then it's not use, right? So maintain the network, so which people gives you a positive vibes or which people gives you a support, social strength, moral support. Maintain such social networking. And as we discussed, limit alcohol or unhygienic foods and have a good sleep. Quit smoking if you are smoking, and maintain hygiene in your diet and activities. Have a sex, it also gives you a moral strength to your mind. And have a positive thoughts. Though your surrounding people or a friends gives you a negative, take it in a positive way, so that how much your mind will be in positive, that much your immune system will be strong. If you are thinking always negative, then obviously your immune system will be weak. So always be positive. Have activities like exercise, maybe walking or yoga, anything. Have a exercise, daily routine exercise, and have friends around you. So furry friends, we will say some furry friends, like they will give you a positive vibes or they will give you a moral support. So these all will come under normal, like elderly adults activities. Coming for children, how you can maintain the strong immune system in them? First of all, give a nutritious diet and keep them hydrated, give lots of water, and give them a good sleep, and give them supplements, like as I said, maybe in the type of snacks or maybe in the type of medicine. You can give them supplements. So if you maintain all these 4 points in a children, then automatically their immune system will be strong. Now in COVID time, our Ministry of Ayush recommended some immune system boosting activities, right? 3 points they mentioned specially. Drink warm water all the day so that your immune system will be strong and GIT will be in a normal way. And practice yoga, routine yoga like meditation, pranayama, so that your respiratory system will be strong. And have a diets like turmeric, cumin, coriander and garlic to boost your immunity. These all 4 diets, they will they act as an antibiotic and also they will act as a antihistamine. And these maybe garlic, turmeric, coriander, everything, they will strengthen our immune system. So they recommended, our Ayush ministry, they recommended. Also some diet are there which can boost your immune system like citric acid, garlic, ginger, yogurt and spinach. These items will boost your immune system. They act as all the supplements to your body. So these diets you can add in your routine foods so that it will be as supplementary also and it will be as a food also, right? Overall, if you want to maintain your immune system strong, then if you want to have a healthy immune system, you need to often view life with a positive eye and put yourself in a relaxed state of mind on a regular basis, so that your automatically your immune system will be strong. And foremost thing, nowadays has this COVID started, they are saying about to maintain your immune system strong, to maintain your immune system strong. Why? For this only, because if our immune system is strong, our immunity will be strong. So that whichever the not only for coronavirus, it may be any disease, if you maintain your immune system strong, if your immunity is strong enough, strengthened enough to fight against the disease or fight against the foreign body, then you will be protected with from diseases. So don't keep in mind that if we take that medicine, immune system will become strong. If you maintain these activities, immune system will be strong. It is just for a advertisement of a medicines or a product. Nothing like that. If you maintain all these activities in a correct way, if you be positive and if your network is in a positive way, then automatically your immune system will be strong and your immunity will be strong enough to fight against the diseases. You don't need only supplements or medicines to strengthen your immune system. By maintaining all these 12 activities in your routine life, then automatically you can maintain your immune system strong and you can stay healthy. Okay, so this was about the immune system or immunity, which is much needed topic for just now routine life. So I got in a mind to have a video on this topic. Hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you.